Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create this beautiful website from scratch in WordPress using nothing but AI. In this short tutorial video, which is also going to be very beginner friendly, we're going to be teaching you how to create this site from scratch in less than 5 minutes. Now before getting started though, make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications for this channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to head over into the appearance section, click on themes and add a new theme. From there, you're going to be searching for Astra and you're going to be installing and activating the Astra theme. Once you install this theme, you will be shown an option such as this. From here, you have to click on Let's Get Started with Starter Templates. So once the Starter Templates has been activated, you will be shown an interface such as this. Within this, you have to click on Build with AI. And within this section, you have to click on Let's Get Started with Free. And you have to click on Continue. You can choose a name for the site and you can select the industry for which you're going to be building the site. And within here, you have to basically provide the prompt for the site that you need to be generated. So you can provide any prompt here. Here's a random prompt that I created from ChatGPT. I'm going to paste this one here. So when you're designing your own website, make sure that you add a descriptive prompt and make sure that you add all the details that you want to be included within the site that is being created. Now, since we've added this prompt, let's click on the next button. Within this section, we can add our email address and phone number. I'm going to be skipping over this option, and within this section you have to select the images that you want to see within the website being created. Now you can use the stock images right here, or you can upload your own images and you can choose the images from inside of the WordPress library as well. So that is your decision. But I'm just going to choose a bunch of stock images right here. So make sure that you at least select 8 to 10 images here, and once you have done that, just click on next. Now the site builder is going to generate a bunch of templates for you to use. A bunch of them are premium, so no need to use the premium ones. You have so many free options here. You can choose any one of these that you like. For example, if you want to preview this, you can click on this button right here. So as you can see, the site looks beautiful and all of this is editable. Pretty much all of this can be edited within the Gutenberg page builder. So if there's any information that you would like to add, any information that you would like to change, any images that you would like to change later on, you can do that. But basically you are being provided with all of these different templates that you can use and customize according to your look and feel. Now you can go through each one of these one by one. There's a lot of them. So there is 42 options, and if you load more designs, you'll be able to find a lot more. So as you can see, there are a lot more designs. You can use any one of these except the premium ones, of course. For that you will have to upgrade. But in case you like any one of this, you can select them and add to your website. Now let me show you what will happen once you select one of these. So for example, if I like this particular design here and I want to add this as my website, then I can click on this. And now from here I can add a site logo and I can change the font pair here. So let me just select any one of these right here. So as you can see, the font family has been changed. You can select any one of these. So I like this one, I'm going to keep that. And from down here I can change the color palette. Let me select this one. So as you can see, that looks kind of good. So let me keep that. And then we can click on continue. Okay, amazing. Now we can select all these features for this site. If we want to add e-commerce, we can select this option as well. But since this is not an e-commerce website, this is a portfolio website, I am going to be keeping these options as default. I'm going to click on start building. So once the site has been built, you will be shown an option like this. Woohoo, your site is ready, and see your website. So you can click on this button and it will show you a preview of what your website looks like. Now, as you can see, this website looks exactly the same as the one we saw in the demo, and it looks absolutely beautiful. So this is how you can create a beautiful website with AI in WordPress. If you like this video, kindly like, share, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so that you never miss update for future videos. If you are looking for a freelancer to build you a beautiful website on WordPress or Shopify, then kindly check out my Fiverr profile down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Have a wonderful day.